Right then, so this week's collection is going to be in two halves because this box needs a video all on its own. So anyway, what should we start with? We'll start with my ampitytus. Can you see how that's written there? The owner of this above. Look at that. Well, it's another one again. Look, it's one of these. 8 shillings and 6pence. And underneath the dirt there, it's British made. Can you see? Yeah. And this one is, I'll try to keep this one in the box. This one is, look, this one, look, can you see it? There's a lot of reflection going on, isn't there? Yeah, let's try that. Let's put it under there. Can you see, is that better? This one, yeah, this one's amp tester. Slightly better. It's got the 2 terminals, a terminal on top and a terminal there. And it's still got the little spike in the bottom. So, my ampitytus continued. Let's take it out of the box. Yeah. Look. My ampitytus is continuing. What a beauty! What a beauty! So there's that one, right. Whilst we're on about ailments, my wrench collecting is continuing. Now, what we found interesting with this one is, can you see it? Warranted, solid, I'll put it over there. Can you see it? Warranted, wrought iron. Wrought. Warranted, wrought. Solid wrought. So does that mean this is older? I've got a sneaky feeling this one is older. And again, look, this is a Buck and Hickman. Buck and Hickman on that one. Little T on the end. So my wrenchitis is continuing. Now this isn't the film that I promised Tool Addict because they haven't arrived. So the next week will be the backhoe tools. So the next item was this one, which is a Buck and Hickman. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? It's a bit. It is there. Which way down? It's very faint. There we are. Look. That should say Buck and Hickman. Just see it. So it's a Buck and Hickman screwdriver. Now this one, this is quite interesting. There's quite a few marks on this one. 1915. Very, very faintly, it looks like there's a Buck and Hickman on that one. Above that. 1915 on that. And we also found a crow's foot. Look, we found a crow's foot on it. There. And a B. An inside and outside caliper. So, you know, just the fact of the age of the thing, you know. Lovely, isn't it? What stories could that tell? What has that been working on? And we've got one more before we go to the other box. It's this little beauty here, look. I mean, they certainly knew how to do boxes, didn't they? So let's have a look what's in here. What is in here? AG Ford T5. Another ammeter. I'm more interested in the solid of the box, you know, but anyway, this one. See? What's that? That's Bakelite, isn't it? Yeah. Shows you the age. it's faded and it looks like somebody's handwritten. Looks almost like handwritten in there, doesn't it? This has had a bit of a tough life. But again, it all adds to the collection, doesn't it? Yeah, but I like this for the box itself, as well as the amp meter inside it. So we've got one more to show you, but I'm going to do a special video just on that one, because that one's really interesting and intriguing.